the last class, we are discussing about the alkanes and cycloalkanes. The alkanes and cycloalkanes, the first we have seen the methods of preparations, definition, and the IUPAC names. Okay. In that definition, the alkanes are the general formula, that is CnH2n plus 2. So those are called as the alkanes. The best examples are methane, ethane, propane, butane, etc. and so on. After that, there is the isomerism in alkanes. Isomerism in alkanes nalli up to C5 vage ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. C1, C2, C3, C4 and C5. First three numbers does not show any isomerisms, but the fourth one and fifth one. So these two shows isomerisms. Okay. And after that, we have seen the methods of preparations. The methods of preparations are alkanes by Wood's reaction. The first one is Wood's reaction, second one is Coriolis synthesis, third one is Lawless reaction. In the Wood's reaction, the alkyl halides which react with the sodium metal in the formation of alkane. Then in the Coriolis reaction, dialkyl lithium, it is reacted with alkyl halide in the formation of alkanes. And in the Lawless reaction, there is electrolytic process, and all these are completed in the last video, and this is the part 2 video. This part 2 video which comes to the chemical properties of alkanes. In this chemical properties of alkanes, there is only one, that is called as the chlorination of methane. This chlorination of methane, see here, this is not an ordinary mechanism, because we should go on to the free radical mechanism. See here, and you very well know the definition of the free radicals. Free radicals which contains the extra electrons. These extra electrons are highly stable in nature and which are attracted to any other reagents or any other substituents. It's a very fast. So for that, these are highly reactive in nature, and these free radicals which are denoted by the dot. Okay, denoted by the dot and the reaction time. So we shall move on to the chlorination of methane. So this word says that the chlorination it means the addition of chlorine to the methane. Methane it means the alkane. So we have to discuss about the chemical properties of alkanes. Alkanes reaction anna ನಾವು ನೋಡಬೇಕು. Alkanes reaction ನೋಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ we are taken only the one methane. This methane it is reacted with the chlorine. See here, the chlorine it is reacted with the methane in presence of UV light or sunlight or just heat. Then this is the product is obtained, that is CH3Cl plus HCl, methyl chloride, CH3 methyl chloride with the HCl is the byproduct. And this reaction does not stop. The remaining three hydrogens, the remaining three hydrogens in the CH3Cl, it means methyl chloride, it can be successively replaced by chlorine atoms. How it takes place? Let's see one by one. Next, see here, the CH3Cl, this product, the CH3Cl, it is reacted with the chlorine atom. It can be successively replaced by chlorine atoms. It is reacted with chlorine atom, then the formation of CH2Cl2, dichloromethane. The name is dichloromethane. ಎರಡು chlorine atoms ಇದಾವೆ. Methane CH4 ಬದಲಾಗಿ H2 ಬದಲಾಗಿ F2 chlorine atoms ಇದಾವೆ. So dichloromethane. The name is dichloromethane with the HCl. In the second step, what happens? This dichloromethane, it is again reacted with chlorine molecule. Then the formation of CHCl3, chloroform. Okay, this is CH3Cl, methyl chloride, chloroform. See here the difference with the addition of HCl. And this chloroform CHCl3 again react with the molecule of chlorine. Then the formation of carbon tetrachloride or tetrachlorocarbon. So these are the products of octet. See here the reaction. Once again I repeat it. The methane it reacts with the chlorine in presence of sunlight or UV light, or we can just by heat. Then we get the methyl chloride is the product. This reaction does not stop, and it can be three hydrogens are successively replaced by chlorine atoms. So how this reaction takes place? The methyl chloride reacts with the chlorine molecule. formation of dichloromethane. This dichloromethane is again reacted with chlorine, then the formation of chloroform. This chloroform again reacted with chlorine molecule, then the formation of CCl4. So this is the reaction only, not the mechanism. So we shall come to the mechanism. This mechanism has a different part. In this mechanism we have to see the free radical mechanism. Free radical mechanism, it means it contains the free radicals. The free radicals are formed by the breaking of the bond in between the two atoms or the molecules. Okay? So see here, there are the three steps in this mechanism. First one is chain initiation, second one is chain propagation, third one is chain termination. These three are the steps that is involved in the mechanism. Then the first step, chain initiation. Initiate, it means start motoring. How to start the reaction? This reaction, it is start with a molecule of chlorine. See here, a molecule of chlorine, it contains chlorine, it is bonded with chlorine. Chlorine is bonded with chlorine with the 2 electrons. See here, a chlorine bond anna, chlorine with chlorine bond anna, this bond, it shows the 2 electrons. These 2 electrons, see here, the heterolytic bond fission takes place. Sorry, homolytic bond fission takes place. This homolytic bond fission means it takes 1 electron, it takes 1 electron. This chlorine atom takes 1 electron and this chlorine atom takes another 1 electron. Then the formation of chlorine free radical. I tell that the free radical which is shown by the dot. And the positive charge is electrophiles in the caribbean, negative charge is nucleophiles in the caribbean. We can show the dot, it is called as free radical. The chlorine with the dot, it is read as chlorine free radical. This chlorine free radicals are formed in the chain initiation step. Okay, next comes to the second step. The second step, chain propagation step. In this chain propagation step, there are the 2 steps, some 2 steps are there. In the first step, what happens? One chlorine free radical, it attacked the CH4 molecule. See here, CH4 and CH3 and H. In between these 2 bonds, there are the 2 electrons are present. These 2 electrons are present. The movement of electrons which shows. The movement of electrons which shows by the half arrow mark. Half arrow mark is nಮಗೆ 1 electron move ಆಗಬೇಕು. Full electron ಈ ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ 2 electrons move ಆಗಬೇಕು. But I am getting the half arrow mark. This half arrow mark it shows only 1 electron. ಇದು 1 electron ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಂತದ್ದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ electron ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಂತದ್ದು. These 2 are the half arrow marks. And this it is also the half arrow marks. Then there is the formation of the free radical. Then the formation of HCl. This chlorine free radical, it is attacked by the hydrogen free radical and the formation of HCl with the elimination of methyl free radical. In the second substep, what happens? This methyl free radical, which is attacked by another chlorine molecule, just I write the bond number, I replace the bond with these 2 dots. Okay, so 1 dot and 2 dots. These 2 dots which shows the sigma bond. This sigma bond is replaced by 2 electrons and this 1 electron is taken by chlorine atom and another 1 electron taken by another chlorine atom. And see here, this methyl free radical CH3 dot, it is attacked with the chlorine free radical in the formation of methyl chloride. And the chlorine free radical is obtained. And these 2 steps are repeated again and again. These 2 steps are repeated again and again. Next, coming to the third step, termination. The termination step. Okay. In the first step, chain initiation step. Second step, chain propagation step. The third step, chain termination. Chain termination. Termination means the stop the reaction. Stop the reaction ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ start ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ development ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ development ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು stop ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. How to stop the reaction? This to stop the reaction, we should take the free radicals. See here, 1 chlorine free radical, it is attacked with another chlorine free radical, then the formation of molecule of chlorine. This is stopped. The next, 1 methyl free radical, it is attacked with another chlorine free radical, then the formation of methyl chloride. It is stopped. Then one methyl free radical and react with another methyl free radical. Then this is for the formation of ethane, and this is common. Next, another two reactions are there. These two reactions, see here, the chlorine free radical, it is attacked with CH2Cl2, dichloromethane. This dichloromethane is attacked like this. See here, there is a presence of bond between C and H. I should show the two dots. Okay, this single electron which comes to this side, and this chlorine free radical is attacked to this side, and this movement of bonding electrons to this side. I will show the half arrow marks. Half arrow marks, it shows that only one electron is moved, but full arrow mark, it shows that all the electrons which are moved from one side to another side. See here, there is a formation of Cl with the H. It means HCl, formation of HCl takes place plus Cl, H and H, and this is the methyl free radical. Okay, methyl chloride free radical. Then this methyl chloride free radical, it is reacted with another chlorine molecule. This methyl free radical, it is reacted with another chlorine molecule, then the formation of this one. This one, it shows the dichloromethane with the elimination of chlorine free radical. See here, the reaction does not stop, but at the last there is a free radical of chlorine is also remaining. And here, this is the thing we have to learn, is to perfect any examination at the start. So they should ask, write the chlorination of methane reaction, or write the chemical property about the chlorination of methane, or the mechanism of the chlorination of methane. It should be asked. It involves the three steps: chain initiation, propagation, termination. Initiation is start materially, propagation only the development of the reactions, these two reactions which are repeated again and again. Then the termination steps, there are the formation of the free radicals. These free radicals are combined with the formation of the molecules, different molecules, and these different molecules which stops the reaction. Okay, thank you.